Hi, here is the Olympus Superzoom 700 BF overall conditions. Okay, first of all, here is the battery compartment. It's using two AA battery, which you can easily replace it. Okay, after that, by pulling here to open the back cover, here's the film. About the film, we need to slide into it to make sure that the center parts of the film have matched the motor. Yeah, so just slide into it, push it in. Okay, and after that, make sure that your film is flat like this, and put the film tip to inside here, like that. Okay, after that, we just close it, and by swiping here is to on it. And next thing is to wait for it to recharge the flash. Okay, after that, press it, let it load our film. Yeah, if it's the S is start moving, which means that now you can start shooting as it have loaded the film properly. So every time you look into the viewfinder, you have see the center part there got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if the green light blinking like this, which means that it can't focus, while you still can fire the shutter, just the outcome have a high chances that will out of focus. The correct way is to adjust. If it's blinking, maybe I slightly adjust a bit. Yeah, if it doesn't blink, that means that it's okay, then we just click it. And sometimes when you go for outdoor, the red light wouldn't appear, which means that it won't trigger the flash, as the red light stands for the flash. Yeah, and about here, sorry, okay, about here, if you inside your film didn't load properly or inside don't have film, when you click the shutter, it will always remain at S. It won't like move to 1, 2, 3 like that. Yeah, and here's the zoom button. By clicking it, you will zoom in and zoom out. Okay, then here is the off flash mode. Yeah, then this one is the landscape mode, which it will auto focus to infinity mode. Yeah, you need to like push it up, then click the shutter together. And here's a timer. By clicking it and aim to the object you want. Sorry. By clicking the timer button and aim to the part that you want to focus and press it. Okay, then the red light will light up, which means that the timer has start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. Yeah. Wait for it. When it's almost there, yeah. Okay, so the overall is like this, and if you didn't use it, you just push it, wait until the lens go into it, then only you fully cover it. Okay, here the film is almost finished. Let's see the rewind part is how it look like. It's almost there. Okay, yeah, like that means it's finished already. Yeah, you see, I cannot press anymore. So this camera is like manually rewind, so you need to pull the button here, let it rewind. We'll close it, yeah, and here you can see it start counting back. Maybe almost there. And when inside have film, do not open the back cover. Yeah, if not, the shot you took have some will be disappear or something like. We are exposed to the light. Yeah, then it will gone. Okay, like this, which means that have rewind finish already. Then switch the button back. Sorry, it will auto stop. Yeah, so after that we just pull it up and take out the film to develop will do. Yeah, and this one is the overall condition and the function, and hope you enjoy it.